Hello! Welcome to my English course for beginners. Lesson 2. What is your phone number? And now let's repeat from day number 1.
How do you spell your name? Read green lines and say aloud your name. Hello, what is your name? Sorry, how do you spell your name? Thank you. Goodbye.
And do you know these numbers in English? Let's learn.
Listen and repeat. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 0, 0, O, O. Let's practice.
Listen and repeat. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? It's 5, 8, 3, 9, 7, 1, 2, 6, 0, 4.
What is your phone number? It's 7, 3, 8, 4, 5, 9, 3, 2.
Listen and write. 5, 0, 2, 6, 9, 1, 8, 4, 3, 7.
Listen and write. 3, 5, 2, 8, 9, 4, 1.
Ask, you answer, and read the green lines. What is your phone number? Can you repeat that, please? What is your phone number? Thanks.
Listen and repeat. Hi, what's your name? I'm Lime, and you? I'm Sophie, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Do you live here in London? Yes, I do. I live near the park. Cool. Can I have your phone number? Sure. It's 6, 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, 7, 2, 5. Can you say it again, please? Yes. 6, 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, 7, 2, 5. Got it. Thanks. No problem. Call me anytime. I will. Bye. Bye. Now I read red and you read green. Hi, what's your name? I'm Sophie, nice to meet you. Do you live here in London? Cool. Can I have your phone number? Can you say that again, please? Got it, thanks. I will, bye. Great job. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson, number 3. Where do you live? Like, share and subscribe and see you very soon. Bye-bye.